channel. I hope you guys are doing really good. So I'm back with another makeup tutorial, and if you guys are following me on my Instagram, then you might know that I was about to come up with a Durga Puja series. So this is the first tutorial of that series. Durga Puja is right at the corner. Maybe this year Durga Puja will not be like every year, but still we will be getting ready. We will be, like celebrating it, maintaining all the norms. And this makeup look is for SASHTI. And also, if you're not following me on my social media, please do so. I come up with tutorials like 1 minute tutorials and IGTV videos out there as well. And I've already done a like wedding guest makeup series or Indian Desi series out there where I just style saris in different makeup. I hope you will be liking that series as well. So if you still haven't followed me, then this is my link. Also, the link will be in the description box. So be sure to follow me out there as well. So now I have talked so much. Without any further ado, let's just go and start the video. So I'm just gonna start off with a bare face, as you can see, and then gonna prep my skin. And the very first step of prepping my skin is to apply a toner, and this one is by Plum Green Tea range, which is an amazing product and especially a great option for oily skin. And then I'm just gonna go with my favorite moisturizer. This one is by Alograce, and I'm just dotting some amount of the product onto my face and then gonna massage it using my fingers, as you can see, and then gonna spritz some amount of Fix Plus onto my face, and this will be giving me a beautiful glow which I want for this look. And to settle it down, I'm using my fingers and massage it and trying to make it absorbed into the skin. And the last step of prepping my skin is to apply a primarizer, and this one is by Smashbox, and this product is such a beautiful product that everyone should try it. And then to cancel out any darkness around my eyes and also around my mouth, I'm using this concealer by Wet n Wild Deep Tan, and then gonna blend it using this foundation brush by Wet n Wild. Again, what a beautiful product. And then for my foundation, I'm using this Fit Me foundation in the shade 228 Soft Tan. I totally forgot to use this product, and then after so long time I am using this product on my face, and then I realized that how beautiful this product is, and why wasn't I using this, I don't know. So yeah, I just dot it around my face and then blend it using the same brush, and you can see the finish that it gives me. And then to highlight and conceal a little bit using this Fit Me concealer, and I am in the shade 25 medium. This is little lighter to my skin tone, so perfect for highlighting and for those days when I don't want my under eyes to be very much highlighted. And then I'm just gonna blend it using this concealer brush by PAC, and you can see the dewiness around my face. And then to set the concealer that I've just applied using this Fit Me loose powder with the help of this beauty blender, and this one is by Blue Heaven. And then to have some colors to this look, I'm using this Maybelline Color Show blush. And as you all know how much I love to apply blush, and this look is mainly for SASHTI, and so I wanted to keep it very simple and very natural. So that is why I'm going in with my regular routine. And then for my brows, I'm using this Durgaelo eyebrow palette. This palette is so affordable yet very promising product. You can see it is my go-to eyebrow product. And then I'm moving on to my eye makeup. I am going to keep it very subtle yet very simple, because I want everybody should like get it how to do it. So I'm just taking this fluffy brush and taking this bronzer. So you can take any sort of bronzer or contour palette that you have. You don't even need any eyeshadows to create this look. So I'm just taking that using this fluffy brush, and just I'm extending it a little out on my eyes. And then I'm taking any brown color. You can take any brown color that you have. I'm taking this brown color from the Huda Nude Obsession palette and placing it with the help of my fingers, and then gonna blend it using a smaller blending brush, and trying to make it look a little seamless. And that's it. You don't even need to do anything else. And then I wanted to keep all the focus to my lower lash line, and where I'm just gonna apply a very thick bold line using this pencil by Plum, one of a beautiful kajal that I've ever used. It is so amazing, so black, and it's hard to smudge. That is why I'm switching it with the Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and then smudging the lower lash line using that brown color, using this pencil brush by pack. And then I'm just gonna curl my lashes and then apply this Smashbox Superfan mascara. You can use whatever mascara that you have, and I'm not gonna wear any sort of falsies in this look, but if you want you can go for that totally, but I don't like to wear falsies for these kind of looks. And then for my lip shade, I have decided to go for this MAC lipstick and in the shade Stay Curious, and then I will be muting it down using the Give Me Mocha by Wet n Wild, but if you want you can stop at this point as well. And you can see the shade is so amazing. And yeah, and then for my highlighter, I'm using this Maybelline Master Comb highlighter, again one of the good product by Maybelline. And then I'm going in with a fake tail. वैसे तो मेरे पास तिल है, but मैं उसको बस थोड़ा prominent कर रही थी. And then I'm just completing this look with a bindi. And then I thought कि थोड़ा सा curls कर लेते हैं, but if you want you can stop with the straight hair as well. So yeah, मैंने थोड़ा सा curl कर लिया hair को, and with that I am done with this look. This is the final look, you guys. You can see how attractive the eyes are looking in this look, because I wanted to keep the focus onto the eyes, and I am totally in love with this look. And I think this look is very, very perfect to wear to the puja mandap and for SASHTI. Do let me know in the comment section how you guys like it. And yeah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. So that is it with this video, guys. I hope you guys liked it, and if it was helpful for you, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a very big thumbs up, and also press the bell icon, because I will be coming up with more makeup tutorial in this series in my upcoming tutorials. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all.